Okay, so welcome to Legoland Malaysia. It's 9:22 a.m. They will be open at 10 a.m. So the weather is nice. It's a little bit of rain showers. Hopefully it doesn't rain hard later, so we can enjoy the tour here in Legoland. When you go here, you'll see a lot of Malaysian flags all around the places. They have a mall here before going inside because it's open at 10 a.m. so you can stay here for a while. There's a Starbucks and the Old Town Coffee, but it's closed already. There are some grocery. You'll also see some flag of the Johor state. I was informed that for every state they have a different flag. It came from Johor earlier. Yeah, Beans Independent grocery store here. Burger King, KFC restaurant just outside the Legoland Resort. Welcome to Legoland, guys. So we book our reservation here online via Klook app, I think. So there's is a Sea Life Malaysia, but we took only the Legoland Resort. Was that fun?
Yeah.
So just a reminder, when going here, bring your vaccination card or download the application that says you are vaccinated. It's slippery here. Legoland Water Park, they also have a Legoland Water Park here. So the resort is officially now open at 10 a.m. You'll have to wait in line outside, then they will open the gates. You can go inside. There's a mini show, like a dance show presentation. And welcome to Legoland. Oh, it's cold. So most of the rides here are for kids. Small ones like the driving school, I think I will not fit on their cart. Filming is not allowed inside. Ninjago. mostly the attractions here are for kids. If you're kid at heart, you'll enjoy this place. And try this, the tower. Observation tower. It's circling around slowly.
All the way in the back.
Observatory. The ninja go ride is the like that. So you need to adjust your hand to get the points. And the mommy ride, you need to
Bang bang.
shoot the green light to make points. We are rotating.
Magagalaw pala yung rotation.
Ninja. For your tricep extension.
Minabaliit mo kanina.
Show you how to pull. A new ride for me. You need to pull the rope down so you can go up. Let's go for the world record.
Let's go for the world record.
And then this one rotates like that one. Low on here, but when you're up, it's high.
Welcome to the kids power tower. Please remain seated at all the time and pull on your rope throughout. When you're ready to drop down, just let go of the rope. Okay, ready? Okay, put your hands up. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Pull, pull, pull. Pull harder, pull up, pull up. Putting at the time is having great.
Ayun sa'yo.
Alright, thanks so much. Please let go your rope.
That's the observation.
The dragon ride. So GoPro is not allowed while riding the roller coaster. Just enjoy the ride and experience it when you go here. You can hold your GoPro. At some rides you can use the GoPro, like this one. Not the fast ones, you cannot hold it while riding because it's dangerous, it might fly over.
But earlier there was a lady who held her phone there
with cell phone mode
on the VR racer.
So now we're gonna go
You say hi to your fans.
make ourselves now we're gonna make ourselves busy. need to be rested when going here, get enough sleep. Good thing it's not so hot now here in Malaysia. There was some scattered rain showers earlier in the morning, but now it's getting hot and it's getting crowded. We arrived here at 10 a.m. in the morning. Not so many people yet. It's a Saturday, it's a weekend, so there's a lot of kids now. This is really built for kids. Enjoy. So there's the Lego Racer. Supposedly it's a VR race. You'll wear a VR glass while riding the roller coaster. It was very fast going out and very fast going down. But now no more the VR glass. You just ride the roller coaster and enjoy the ride.
Hello and welcome to Technic Twister. For your own safety, please remain seated with your arm and legs inside the ride at all times.
Technic Twister.
Alright, get ready.
Get ready.
In the count of 3, 2, 1, enjoy your spin.
Enjoy your spin. This is the basic spin.
Oh my God, nakakahilo. Earlier at the VR Racer, I thought I left my intestines there on top because it was so fast going down and it's high.
Getting dizzy now, so
I'm enjoying it. I'm not dizzy. I love it. How are you guys? Are you okay?
good. The journey.
The journey. Parang train lang sa festival.
After the exciting ride, time to relax. So you can see all the attractions. Great Wall of China. Campak. This is the Dino Island ride, so I'm not ready to get wet that much. Just take a video here. It's higher than the log jam in Star City or Enchanted. This is higher, see?
It's higher, but it's bigger, so the splash is bigger.
But the water is good, doesn't smell bad. Concho.